Hello witches, welcome to the unboxing of the Witch's Stash. Thank you to everybody that has believed in me and bought one of the Witch's Stash mystery Halloween boxes. It does mean so much that you've put your faith in me, and I've had so many lovely reviews and comments and messages and emails, so thank you very much. I'm really glad that you've enjoyed it. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Tracy Perks. I'm a quilt pattern designer based in the UK on board my narrowboat. We live on a narrowboat. I've got the little boat, which is my floating studio, that I've turned into a lovely little coven for the purpose of this video. So let's stop chatting and let me show you what is in the Witch's Stash. So, okay, without further ado, let's unbox the Witch's Stash. Get rid of that little fella. So you get a lovely little welcome note saying thank you for your support from me, handwritten. So at the top of the box we have the leaflet that says Unlock the Witch's Stash, a spellbinding collection of fabrics, trims, buttons and eerie inspiration for your Halloween creations with me, Tracy Perks. Inside the leaflet is a discount code for you to use on the Halloween patterns that I have on my website. So this is a special thank you to those that have bought the box. There is also a playlist in here with some spooky tunes for you to get quilting to. If you want to create something magical, then we've got some Stitch Up Some Magic with Stacey Lee from Stacey Lee Creatives. There is the contents on the back, all my socials as well, and that's just the start of the Witch's Stash. We have the Perks of the Witching Hour, which is a little sticker that I've got made of the playlist. And then let's get into the box. So first up we have Ghostly and Haunted Art Gallery fabrics. There are 5 in this fat quarter bundle. I just love these fabrics. I've started sewing with them already. I've made some fun bunting with this. And this one is my favourite. Look at those. It's beautiful. And we have a pink coordinating fabric that goes with it as well. These are the 5 gorgeous fat quarters that you get with the Witch's Stash mystery Halloween box. Let's see what else we've got. Everything is packaged in these black organza bags. So the first one has got buttons in. So we have a selection of buttons here, and then there are some patches. These are iron-on patches, or you can sew them on. Great for your crafting projects. We have trims. These glow in the dark. So there's 2 lots of ribbons, and you know I love a bit of ric-rac. So we've got some jumbo ric-rac and some, I think that's 13mm ric-rac. And then my favourite, there's a metre of zipper tape, and that's got a beautiful purple shade to the zip. And these are so spookily cute. zipper pulls that are spooky little pumpkins. I hope you've enjoyed this witch's stash as much as I've enjoyed putting it all together for you. Happy stitching, witches. There are kits available still, so head over to the website. There aren't many though, so you might want to be quick. If you've liked what you've seen in the Witch's Stash Mystery Halloween box, then please do sign up to my newsletters. There is much more to come. I've got so many more ideas. More boxes are going to be coming out in 2025 and 2026. So until next time, may your bobbins be full and your scissors be sharp. And don't forget to cut it, stitch it, and love it.